Hello, 8th graders. Miss Cantwell here. Giving you your instructions for today. You're going to go to classwork. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. This is your work folder for the week. This instructional video is found in your instructions for 9/29 link here. After you watch the instructions, you are going to go to CNN 10. Here's CNN 10's link for today, and you are going to write down 2 facts in this Google Doc and turn it in. Make sure you turn it in when you are done. We are going to finish our civilization project presentations. That can be found in last week's September 21st through the 25th under Thursday. You need to finish this. This is for a grade. So we'll be finishing these presentations. If there's no one to present, we're going to learn about feudalism. We're learning about Europe now. We did learn about Africa and their trade routes and their empires. Now we're going to learn about feudalism. It is in your book on page 44, down here at the bottom. It's a whole new section, section 4. I will go through that in the other video, but right now we're just talking about instructions. The notes are here for you to copy, and this Feudalism 2 with no activity is a worksheet for you to follow along in as I talk. So, your order is instructions, CNN 10, civilization presentations from last Thursday. If nobody does that, then we're moving on to feudalism. Okay? Toodles.